YouTube? A little update on what's been going on with the car. I really haven't had any time to make any videos because I've been busy with life. Hence, right there, you know what that means? That's the game over ring. I'm heading over to my friend's shop right now. Gonna go get an oil change. Well, I'm gonna do an oil change. I'm not gonna get an oil change. I'm gonna use his lift to do an oil change. I'm gonna be at that Mod to Fame event this weekend at Cecil Dragway. Want to see a cool feature? I'm gonna show you a cool feature. Check this out. Cool feature. So doing an oil change on my car today. It's gonna be my first oil change. Oh, I can't wait to see what this oil looks like because I beat the shit out of it. Seb's giving me a hand. I'm using his lift. This is what I'm using. I know it's 520 that's in there now, but I went through the manual. They recommended 530 if you're driving the car on the track or anything, and I should probably be using 2050. So I peed on this thing like nonstop. That's what I'm using. It cost me about I think it came to with tax like $70 from AutoZone. So I took the oil cap out. Just it drains faster. So there's a 7mm here, 7mm here, 7mm here, and there's the oil filter. I think my oil filter is a little longer. I'll make sure it fits. When you take those 7mm down for the splash shield, the oil filter is right there. This is definitely something that you could do at home. I'm only using a lift because I'm fat and I can't go on the floor no more and crawl. But it's up and the oil drains right here. It takes 10 quarts. This is plastic, by the way, if you didn't know. Oh, is that dirty? Oh, that's definitely dirty. Damn, that shit's filthy.
Look at this fucking drain plug.
That's a cool drain plug right there. That's a lot of oil in there. Holy shit. $10 quarts. Can't believe how much oil this thing takes. The 2018 Mustang GT takes 10 quarts of oil, people. I know, I think the Gen 2 motor took like, I think 7 3/4 or 8. This takes 10 quarts, just so you know. And that oil is filthy. There's the oil filter. It was on like hand tight. I didn't even have to do anything. The car was pretty cool before I pulled it in, so it's not that bad. This is pretty basic. I mean, and anybody can do this. You can definitely do it in your driveway, as long as you have the right tools, which really was a 7mm. The filter was hand tight, and it shouldn't be really tight to begin with. I usually put my filters on by hand anyways. Pretty simple, guys. Oil drains tightened. Sorry, guys. It's plastic. Fucking weird. Very weird. And new oil filters in. The other oil filter was a little shorter, but having the bigger filter, as long as the O-ring fits, it's fine. That works out fine. Just gotta put the 7mm back in the splash shield, and you're good to go. Well, just put 9.5 quarts in. I'm gonna start the car. Remember to put the oil cap back on, so you don't want to make a mess. Here's the oil cap. Like I said, I'm using 530 because I drive my car hard. I looked in the manual, and the manual said that if you're going to drive your car hard, they recommend 530 for track use. That's why I'm using that. Ford oil is what I'm going to use, and that basically sums up the video. Just doing a basic oil change. See you guys at Mod to Fame event on July 8th. That's it. Just hit OK. resets, and we are good to go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you subscribe, please share my videos. Thank you, guys.